Let's get in Sunita Nagpal, our research analyst, to speak about Wipro. She tracks these numbers for, well, a lot of number of years now. Sunita, the numbers, the bottom line exactly in line with estimates. More importantly, the guidance that we were talking about, we were expecting 2 to 4%. At the upper end, they probably clock in 3% quarter on quarter. Marginally disappointing, or you would be okay with it?
Yeah, it's marginally disappointing because we were expecting 2 to 4% kind of guidance. But having said that, it's better than what Infosys has guided at flat quarter. And if you look at this quarter also, they've done slightly better than our expectation. We were expecting $1,501 million revenues for IT. They've done $1,505 million. So that marginal uptick is come in Q3. So if you see what they are guiding for Q4 is more or less in line with our expectation. Having said that, if you look at the commentary of the management, they're sounding positive. They're saying the feedback has been positive from the clients on the restructuring that the company has taken. The growth in 5 verticals out of the 6 vertical has been at 4% in constant currency, so which is positive. And they are saying that in constant currency terms, they have exceeded the guidance that they held out for Q3. So these things are very positive if you see. But if you look at the numbers per se, they're more or less in line with expectation. Marginal disappointment as far as the EBIT margins for IT is concerned. We were expecting 21% margins this quarter. They've done 20.8%. So very marginal disappointment in certain areas. But the body language sounds bullish. We will hear from the management more on what they're expecting going forward and what the feedback has been on the IT budgets. Looking at if you look at the guidance for Q4, they're saying 1 to 3%, and the realized rate they are taking is 51.75 for dollar revenue, dollar rupee exchange rate. And for this time, they had given for Q3 they had given the guidance at 46.40 rupees exchange rate, but while the realized rate has been 50 rupees 53 paisa.